of the Trinidad chevron. It's been in there for 25 days. Just going to see if I can try and get her out of here. Completely remove her from the eggs. She's okay there. Oh. If I can get her to go into here rather than back in, which is cool at the moment. Okay, that's a bit easier. Okay, maybe not. That's quite easy. That's actually very easy. Expecting her to be a little bit more aggressive. Let's put her over there for now. Which means we might be able to just pull it out normally. It's really gentle, really. It's all webbed up in there, so you can't see that, but it's quite a small one. Feels quite good. Here's the egg sac. Feels quite soft in there, so that's a good sign. What I'll do is cut the video, open up the egg sac and see what's inside.